friends, welcome to the channel. As you can see, I've lost some beardage. It's right, November, you know, no shave November, so I gotta make sure I'm clean shaved before starting to grow the beard out again. Alright, so in this video, we're going to see if we can put in some magic into our old big brown truck. So see what that old single stage paint can look like if we're gonna massage it a little bit. Alright, follow me, let's go see. Here's what the truck looks like. I mean, it's not crazy dirty, but we're gonna just kind of so we're only going to do this part. I'm not going to do the white part because it doesn't really need any polishing. So I'm going to be using this good stuff and good old Porter cable polisher. Shake it like you mean it. It's good practice anyway. Looks like it's bringing our single stage paint color back out a little bit. I'm being sarcastic, not a little bit, freaking lot. Look at the fender. Now let's keep on grinding, see what it's gonna look like. You might need to replace and wash your pad at some point. I mean, this looks like it came out of somebody's pooper. And the same thing on the other side, you can see this half's been already done. Just keep going, make this truck look new. But yeah, this actually single stage paint seems to be doing really well as far as coming back to life. Okay, so this is a finished product. So as you can see, it's shined up definitely quite a bit. Haven't waxed it, so this is just pretty much cotton buff. Paint correction, that's what the cool kids call them these days. Came out a lot shinier and brighter than expected. The only thing that's still kind of on the dollar side is the hood, but it's not bad. The sides are actually a lot shinier than the hood, but that's kind of expected. We're in the desert, lots of sun, so it needs a good wash. Should look pretty good after that. Maybe, if I feel like it, I'll also throw some wax on it. As far as if you missed what we used this good guy, Gray's Garage complete compound. If you're wondering how much it takes to do a whole truck, it's about half-ish. So this should be good for quite a few vehicles. If you're doing cars, if you're doing trucks, maybe 2 trucks. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please share, like, subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Almost forgot. Please support your local animal shelters. Right, Bear Bear? Right, laddie?